Long time no see, hi there. Today I will be unboxing this Philips Airfryer XXL, which is touted the healthiest way to fry. Yes, as you can hear it. Well, you can use little or not add oil at all. Yes, and also features a technology that is fat removal, which at the end reduces and captures the excess fat. So I'm really keen to open that box. Let's see what is inside. Join me.
First, I'm going to remove the outer packaging. It's a nice sleek box with prepared meal display on the side and a picture of the air fryer on the front, as you can see. When the box is opened, you would see there's a manual, an instruction to download an application with many recipe ideas, user manual and guarantee info, these last two in a recycled paper. We can see also the non-sticky mesh, easy to clean, and the app will definitely come in handy. I see the air fryer nestled in some protective back foam. It looks really compact and stylish. The air fryer itself weighs 8 kilograms. The outside is deep black with copper finish color. It's got a nice non-sticky surface and digital display on the front. It looks really easy to use. But what really sets this air fryer apart is the smart sensing technology. According to the manual, this technology automatically adjusts the cooking temperature and time to ensure perfect results every time. That means no more overcooked food. Let's try and cook a fantastic meal, some French fries. I selected 3 potatoes, pre-washed of course, and now it is time for peeling them. Something that captured my attention is that we don't need to preheat the air fryer as we can do with other and previous models. Once we gave the proper shape, we put them into water for 30 minutes and I added some spicy herbs. Also, I used a little oil. Setting up the manual for 80-100 degrees Celsius and 20 minutes, though every 5 we will shake them to make sure they will be crispy overall. I can see they are getting very nice look. They are ready and it's time to take them out. Look at these tasty spicy French fries with little oil I use. Smacznego! How about cleaning the Philips Airfryer XXL? Let's take a look into the inside. We can see some crumbs of the French fries and some fat and oils. It's pretty simple, just pour water and soap using a sponge with deep clean, so the basket and the other layer can be shiny after all. As well, the mesh and the carrying basket, we leave them to dry in a deck aside to later on put back these items into the air fryer. Therefore, cleaning it's a breeze thanks to the dishwasher safe removable parts and quick clean basket. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Philips Airfryer XXL. I can't wait to start cooking more fantastic meals with it and see for myself how it delivers on its promise of maximum taste with minimum fat effortlessly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, follow and subscribe for more fantastic meal videos.